Top 5 Mrs. Meyer's must-haves. Number 5. Lavender hand soap refill. Cruelty-free, biodegradable, and a calming scent that keeps hands soft and fresh. Number 4. Lemon verbena all-purpose cleaner. Bright, crisp fragrance with powerful plant-based cleaning for every surface. Number 3. Basil hand soap refill. Essential oils, biodegradable formula, and that surprisingly fresh basil scent everyone loves. Number 2. Rainwater hand soap refill. Clean, light, and refreshing. It smells like a just-finished rain shower in your kitchen or bath. And number 1. Lavender dish soap. Cuts grease quickly with a soothing lavender scent and a biodegradable formula you can feel good about. Follow for more home and cleaning favorites.